This morning, a Concord couple is facing a slew of charges. Investigators say they were running a multi-state sex trafficking ring across the state of New Hampshire, Vermont, and Maine. They're accused of luring young Chinese women who speak little to no English to work as prostitutes in multiple locations. WMUR Charisse LeClaire now with details.
Court documents charging Shu Chao Li and wife Durong Miao of luring and enticing at least 27 women to the U.S. from China for sex crimes between July 2016 and February of this year. Those court documents showing the long list of properties prosecutors allege the pair conducted the illegal operation, including these rental properties on Harrington Avenue and West Street in Manchester, as well as locations in Dover, Portsmouth, and multiple locations in Vermont and Portland, Maine. This man lives near one of those homes, his neighbor asking him to check on the house after multiple suspicious visits by strangers to the neighborhood.
Most of this was happening late at night, and she had just come over and said, you know, I've got a real bad feeling, will you go see what's going on over there?
He said a young Asian woman answered the door, and the circumstances tipped him off that he should call police.
When I saw what I saw, which is disturbing, I was like, this isn't right. Time to get somebody else involved.
Now authorities are charging the couple with multiple counts of conspiracy, sex trafficking, fraud, and coercion. Court documents alleging the couple used social media and other means to recruit and entice young Chinese women who spoke little to no English, depriving them of documents, food, clothing, room keys, and other things, essentially keeping them trapped in these locations.
These young, innocent people, their lives are being altered and ruined. You got to do something. You got to say something. You got to do something.
I'm Charisse LeClaire, WMUR News 9.